Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another English lockdown video. Today we're going to show you some amazing recipes that are very easy for you guys to do at home. So I hope you like this video, and of course let's take a look to those recipes. Hey, I'm Cardiff, and today we're going to learn how to make an easy recipe probably for your breakfast, and we're going to learn how to make pancakes. So for this recipe, well, I'm going to use some fruits like bananas, probably apples, the mix which is already ready, some water, it needs water, a recipe for me to mix it, and finally I'm going to decorate it with some jam and condensed milk. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to take the pancake mix and then put some into the recipe, right? You're going to take some water and you're going also to pour the water into the recipe, right? And then you're going to start mixing until you get a creamy mix. Alright, so perfect. This is how it is supposed to be. As you can see, it's creamy, right? You can see the texture of it. And the next step is that you're going to use some butter. You're going to take a piece of butter, you're going to put it in a fry pan, and then you just have to heat it. Once it's warm, you just have to pour the mix of the pancakes into your fryer pan. The next step is to pour the mix into the fryer pan. With a little bit help of the spoon, you're going to start making sure that it has a circular form, and then just wait a little bit for it to be ready. Okay, here I have my pancakes and they're ready for the decoration. Like I said, I'm gonna use some fruits like bananas, strawberries, some cherries for decoration, as well as the blackberry jam. Okay, here's my decoration. I already have the strawberries, the pancakes, the banana, the blackberry jam, and finally I'm gonna use some condensed milk. So for me, I'm gonna just go ahead and spread it through the plate like this. And at the end, I am going to just put, and if you would like to, you can add just one strawberry into the plate. Thank you very much.
Hello guys, today I will show you how to prepare a delicious ice cream, and it is super easy to do it. The things that we need are milk cream, condensed milk, vanilla essence, and if you want, chocolate. Let's start. So the first step is to put 4 spoons of milk cream in my cup. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 2 spoons of condensed milk. So here we have 1 and 2. That's all. We mix it. And now I will put a little bit of vanilla essence. So this is a teaspoon. And we put it, and finally we mix all of our ingredients. So guys, I put my ice cream in the fridge during 2 hours. Let's check how is it. Here I have it, so we're going to check it. Guys, here is my ice cream. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of chocolate that I grate here in my ice cream, and let's taste. So it's really delicious.
Hello, today from my favorite place at home, the kitchen. Today we're going to prepare a delicious dessert. For it we are going to use condensed milk, cream milk, we're going to use unflavored jelly, we're going to need some cookies, and finally you're going to choose one fruit that you like. In my case, I just chose passion fruit because I love it. Okay, so let's start with this dessert.
In this pot I have added
the cream milk, and additionally the condensed milk. And now it's time to use the mixer. So we're going to mix this more or less for 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm just finishing like mixing the condensed milk and the cream milk, and now it's time to add the rest of the mix. So previously I just stirred with the passion fruit, so it's time to add it here, and I just heated the jelly, so it's time to add it also with the water, and we are going to have like the perfect mixture. Now it's time to mix for 2 more minutes and everything is going to get ready. So now I'm going to use the bowl. So I'm going to start adding some layers of our mixture and cookies. So here are the layers of mixture and the cookies. So now we are going to decorate it a few using some Milo and some chocolate chips. After that we are going to take it to the fridge more or less for 2 or 3 hours, and it's going to be ready in order to eat it. Okay, so after 3 hours at the fridge, our dessert is ready. So now it's time for eating. I have to confess that it was a huge challenge for me because I'm not used to cook, but the result is great.
Well, I made a complete mess, as you can see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.